If you find a significant gap under tiles that contains water after silicone removal, act immediately to remove moisture before resealing. First, assess the access and source of the water by gently probing the gap with a small mirror and a cotton swab to detect standing water, seeping moisture, or a dry cavity. Use an absorbent rag to mop up any standing water by pressing the rag into the gap and pulling it out slowly so you do not push water deeper. After surface water is removed, force dry the cavity with a hairdryer on a moderate heat setting and keep the dryer moving to avoid overheating adhesive or backing materials. If the gap is deep or communicates with a hollow space, leave the area to dry overnight and recheck the next day before applying new silicone to ensure evaporation has completed. For faster drying in cooler or humid conditions, place a small bowl of desiccant, such as silica gel packets, near the area, or run a fan to increase air circulation over the tiles. When ready to reseal, use a high-quality, mold-resistant silicone, apply a thin continuous bead, smooth it with a rounded tool or a wet finger for proper adhesion, and allow the full cure time recommended on the product label before exposing the joint to water. Common mistakes include sealing over trapped moisture, which causes early caulk failure and mold growth, so never apply new silicone until the cavity is fully dry. Spend extra drying time rather than rushing the job. Another issue is failing to identify the water source, which leads to repeated failures. So, inspect adjoining fixtures, grout lines, and plumbing and repair leaks before resealing. Finally, people often use low-quality or incompatible sealants and expect permanent results. So, choose a silicone formulated for wet areas and follow the manufacturer instructions for surface preparation and cure time. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and also helps contractors find work, with tools that let us post projects and respond to requests. We host a discussion community where we share tips and troubleshoot problems together.